This is the probability unit, and this is our tentative calendar and the topics we are going to cover. Notice it is a 2-week unit. We are breaking for STAR. We're literally going to start it April 7th, where we're going to start with simple probability, and then we will travel through with a review and the test on Monday, April 17th. This is tentative. Our vocabulary, there's a list of vocabulary words that I will attach this document as a unit resource, and you will need to go through the vocabulary and read them and understand them. If you need help on understanding any of the vocabulary words, please reach out to me. You will need to understand the vocabulary, so when questions are using the vocabulary, you will be able to answer them. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do probability of a single event. And, okay, so the objective is to define a sample space of a simple event and a simple event. Find the probability of a single event. Define and determine complements. So the review is to change each fraction into a decimal and a percent. So 1/2, that's the fraction. As a decimal, it's 0.5. Ooh, that's kind of thick. Let's thin that up a little bit. Let's see if this is better. Oh, yes, and this is 50%. Much better. 1/4 is 0.25, and this is 25%. 1/5 is 0.2 and is 20%. And probability can be written as, okay, we are going to continue on.